Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. So it's just going to be a quick haul today. So I've got a Morphe haul and I ordered a Glamlite cosmetics palette from Beauty Shop. I want to show you both these. Now if you follow me on Instagram you will have already seen the Glamlite cosmetics palette. I'd been wanting this one for a while just because I've gotten back into neutrals. It's a chocolate Martini palette, so I'm definitely keeping the packaging because it is super cute, like all of Glamlite's palettes. It really is small. I expected it to be a little bit bigger, but it is tiny. Absolutely gorgeous though. I've not even swatched this yet, guys. I will be swatching it for a short video, but look at that. Just look at that. Look how stunning she is. Part of me wants to swatch it now. I'll be swatching it later on today. So yeah, really happy with that. I have bought a Christmas present for my niece. I'm not going to be showing that because she sometimes watches my videos and I don't want to ruin the surprise. So I'll show you everything else I got though for myself from Morphe. Didn't get that much. I saved about £13 though because there was a sale on 40% off. So I got two of these brushes that are my favourite by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I just got the singles this time. So they're the JH40 and they're really good for outer corner. That's where I like to use them, and also they're good for like in your crease as well. So I just got two of the same brush. So I think they're about £4.40 each. So yeah, really happy with them. And then I just got two of these palettes. I think they're called Ready in 5. Yeah, Morphe 2 Ready in 5 eyeshadow palette. And I've never tried anything from the Morphe 2 range. So I got this one. And this one is in Palm Springs. They look absolutely stunning. And at first I thought to myself, well, shall I put them away for Christmas for myself? But I'm like, no, I want to use them soon. This one is a great fall palette. I think I'll be pulling it out next Shop My Stash. So that's the packaging it comes in. And then again, I've not swatched them or anything. That's what it looks like. So this one here is called Sunny Days. This one here is called Desert Dreams. This one here is called Desert Sunset. This one down here is called Canyon Views, and then this one is called Cactus Garden. So yeah, really happy with that. And these, I think normally they're £7, which is a great deal anyway for £7, but I got them for £4. So there's that one, and then there is Malibu, which is the more neutral. And I was going to get the pink leaning rose toned one as well, but I thought to myself, I've got so many palettes that are like that. I've got Colourpop ones, I've got Lottie London one, and like my Charlotte Tilbury one as well, that is like that. The kind of like leaning pink one, I don't like that. I'm giving that away to my friend Karen because I feel like she'll get more use out of it than I ever could. And I've used it once for a video. So, yeah. Anyway, let's talk about this. So, again, Ready in 5 eyeshadow palette is in the shade Malibu. Absolutely gorgeous. So, we've got Beach Glitter, Out on the Sand, Sun-Kissed Glow, Tan Lines, and Sunbaked. Gorgeous. And that's it for the Morphe haul, guys. It was very short and sweet. I don't think I've got anything else. The only other thing that I'm waiting on now is for my P. Louise budget beauty box to show up, and then I don't think I'm getting anything else. I've been looking at a lot of things. I was looking at a Pat McGrath Labs palette, and I just thought, shall I get it? And then I thought no, and then I was looking at the Beauty Bay Neutral Nudes, the medium size one. I think it's 16 eyeshadows where you get the shimmers and the mattes. I don't like just the matte version, so I wouldn't buy that, but the shimmers and the mattes look really pretty, and that one was just £12, and I thought about getting that, but then I thought I've just bought the Glamlite one and that cost nearly £50. So I just thought to myself, no, save your money, you've not even used the Glamlite one yet, and that's kind of your shot at neutrals. And then obviously we've got this one, which is a neutrals palette as well. And I've got a full drawer, guys, a full drawer of palettes that need to be used. So I'm not going to get more eyeshadow palettes. And I really just don't see the point. I feel like I should be using the ones that I haven't used first, and then if I want more in the new year or around Black Friday time for me to put away for Christmas, then I'll do that. I know for a fact that I'm getting 2 palettes anyway. I'm getting the Utopian Dreams by Pat McGrath Labs for Christmas, and I'm getting the Ice Cream Dream palette as well for Christmas. So that's 2 palettes that are already coming into the collection for the new year. So do I really need to buy any more palettes? I don't think I do, but the eyeshadow palette lover in me is saying just buy a couple more palettes. Put them away for Christmas for yourself. I haven't done that so far. I'm going to see what's in this budget beauty box by P. Louise. I've only ordered one. It's not like I'm getting a subscription every month. It's too expensive. A subscription every month would cost £31. A one-off box is fine. What I'm hoping that they'll put in that box, I don't think they will, is the All I See Is Signs palette, because I really want that. And then there's another one that I want. If I don't get either one of those palettes, then I'll probably just buy it next month, because they're both absolutely stunning and I would be happy with either of those palettes. What they've been giving people though in those budget beauty boxes, from what I can gather over the last few months, is palettes that look like this, that come in their lucky dips. I'll be a bit disappointed if I get something that I've already gotten, but I can live with it. I can repurpose the palette to someone else. I mean, it's P. Louise. No one's not going to say no to a P. Louise palette if it's their colour story. So yeah, guys, I'm really looking forward to getting that P. Louise budget beauty box. We're going to end this here now because I've shown you everything that I have to in the haul that I've recently done. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.